Hello, I'm Josh, Public Affairs Officer at the NRLA, and today we're looking at three of the most frequently cited myths surrounding the Renters' Rights Bill ahead of committee stage, which is due to start on the 22nd of April. Some of the confusion around the bill may be caused by a misunderstanding of how committee stage in the House of Lords works. Unlike in the House of Commons, any member of the Lords can table an amendment at committee stage, and over 50 pages of proposed amendments have been tabled to the Renters' Rights Bill, but the vast majority of these will not make it into the final bill. With that in mind, on to the first myth. Myth 1, Section 21. Despite the abolition of Section 21 being a cross-party manifesto commitment, there is misleadingly still talk of it being retained. While there are some amendments that suggest retaining Section 21 in some form for certain groups, these amendments simply will not gain government support and will not become law. Myth 2, fixed terms. There's been a lot of commentary around amendments tabled that seek to retain fixed-term tenancies. Despite what you may have heard, this is another example of an amendment that simply will not become law as it goes against the government's explicit agenda. Indeed, the abolition of fixed-term tenancies is in the long title of the bill, which means it's the bill's purpose, and no amendment put forward in the Lords will change this. Myth 3, rent affordability and rent controls. Another aspect of the bill that has caused considerable concern in the sector is the possibility of rent controls. The Renters' Rights Bill does not introduce rent controls, and while there are amendments that aim to secure rent affordability, the government has been clear that rent controls are not current government policy, with the Housing Minister himself only recently stating that rent controls could make life more difficult for renters. The principles of the bill are fixed, however, there is still an opportunity to modify some of the finer details to ensure the changes are workable and don't undermine confidence in the sector. We are focused on securing cross-party support for these ahead of committee stage and will keep you updated on our progress. That's all for this video. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you're alerted when we release our next video, and make sure to check out our website, which is full of articles that will keep you up to date on all things PRS.